Hey guys, what's happening? Got a big box today. Usually the big boxes don't have Pez. This might be the exception to the rule. Let's see what's in here. Make sure I scratch it real good, whatever it is. Just use some scissors. Okay. Oh, that's good. Let's see what we got. How's this gonna work? Oh, that is banged up pretty good. Jeez. And it's upside down. Who would thunk? Who would have thunk? Get rid of that. This one is beat up real good. Kind of like it beat up. Doesn't have a back to it, which is kind of a shame. Can you guys see this? Are you looking at? Are you seeing what I'm seeing? All right. Now, that is legit. That's where the skeleton key goes. And this. Oh, they're all empty. Shucks. It has no back to it. Candy loaded in here. Coin goes in here. Candy gets shoved out through there. What's in there? Nothing. Just some styrofoam. Alright. Well, what I like about this one, again, hold on. Can you guys see? Stay. Don't ruin my chair. Yeah, you can see. This thing, a card would go in there. And hold on, I have the card. Let's see. Do I? There should be a card somewhere that goes right in there. Well, we're not going to find it, are we? Damn it. Alright, I'm going to come back for that for you guys later. But the card goes right in that square in there. And you can change out depending on what candies you want to sell. You put in the new card, refill the machine the way you like it, put in your tin Pfennig, get your money back if you like, and out comes your candy. So that's nice and tiny. Let's go take a look, should we? At the other, we gotta figure out where that's gonna go. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm gonna need a little room somewhere. But at least it's skinny. That's gonna look good.